Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Legal matter for Punjab and Haryana High Court Session Court for current judgment. 800 वर्ड्स की आपकी ये सीरीज होगी। आप बोल रहे थे कि सर डिफ़िकल्ट आउटलाइन लेगा, ये डिफ़िकल्ट आउटलाइन लेगा। ये आपकी अगर आप इसको टाइप कर देते हो, इसमें मिस्टेक कितनी आती है आपकी 10 मिस्टेक आए, 20 मिस्टेक। जिस बच्चे की 10 मिस्टेक आ गई उसकी तैयारी अच्छी, जिसकी 10 से ऊपर आ गई उसकी तैयारी अच्छी नहीं है। अपने आप को मान के चलना आप, ठीक है। ये आपकी अच्छी सीरीज़ है। हम आपको 2 या 3 दिन में देते रहेंगे। आप ये बताओगे कि सर सीरीज़ कैसे लगी, आप टाइप करने के बाद ही बताएंगे आप मुझे। ओके, चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी डिक्टेशन को। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। द प्रोसिक्यूशन वर्जन as unfolded in brief is that on 11/12/2018 a weight was received at police post Tahsil camp Panipat regarding dead body of one Arjun Dev, residence of Vikas Nagar, Kheda, Wali Gali, lying in a coat in his house. On recipient of this information, a police party headed by ASI Dharamveer reached at the informed place where a written complaint was submitted by complainant Bharat Bhushan, son-in-law of deceased, alleging therein that his father-in-law Arjun Dev, victim, and brother-in-law Kamal used to reside together in Vikas Nagar, Tahsil camp, Panipat. 3 daughters of the victim, including his wife Menu, were married. Deceased was a cart vendor and used to earn his livelihood by doing that work, whereas his son Kamal did not do any work. On the same day, he received a telephone information that the dead body of the victim was lying in his house and a dead injury was received by him. On receipt of this information, he along with his wife had reached at the house of his father-in-law and found his dead body to be living there on a folding bed. There was some injury on the right side of his head. The complainant alleged that he had made inquiries and came to know that an altercation had taken place between the victim and his son Kamal. He had suspicion that the victim had been killed by his son Kamal on the intervening night of 10/11/2018. On this complainant, a case under section 302 of Indian Penal Code was registered. Investigation proceedings were initiated. Inquest proceedings and post-mortem examination of dead body were conducted. During investigation, accused Kamal was apprehended on the basis of a secret information on 12/12/2018. He was interrogated and suffered a disclosure statement admitting his involvement in the subject crime. He demarcated the place of occurrence and also recovered the weapon of offense, which was a piece of wooden choket, in pursuance of his disclosure statement. The same was taken into possession by the police after sealing it. After completion of necessary investigation and usual formalities, challan under section 173 CRPC was presented in the court for trial of accused. copies of challan were supplied to the accused free of costs. Wide order dated 15/5/2019 passed by Sri Jatin Garg, learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, Panipat. This case had been committed to the Court of Sessions as the offence punishable under Section 302 IPC is exclusively triable by the Court of Sessions. It had been kept on the coach of this court. On finding a prima facie case for commission of offence punishable under Section 302 of IPC, the accused had been charged seated accordingly. Wide order dated 28/5/2019 passed by this court. He pleaded not guilty to the charge and claimed trial. फुल स्टॉप। स्टूडेंट ये आपका आर्टिकल, ये आपके 400 से अबाव हुई वर्ड है, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए। टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए और आपको पीडीएफ इसकी पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट जो इसका आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। जिस बच्चे ने टेलीग्राम चैनल को ज्वाइन नहीं किया वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में बॉक्स में आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल आपको मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।